Nzama Nene ya Maaskavu ma Katoleki KCCB Niyakulya Silikali Yithukiisye Wasya wa Amuika Maendeeye na Iyieka Kumavindithya Yiiweta Kiio cha Amuika ni Wasya wa Mamilioni ma Enenthi na ala Maendeeye Kuvinyiiwa ni Silikali nthini wa kikalo na andiki mamovo musini wa Ilovi Maaskavu ane makanya Silikali kana kuvuthisya maunyungu nisyo kana kusungia Wasya wa Amuika kwiselanzia sya kumaumisya kwikia nthi mutiani muthuku wa uvungulu wa muo Benjamin mwaka na mauvo
Masama vudu matialite mbewa muthenya wa kulikana vina wa Amuika Maendeeye kumana na muti wa maandamano ma mwaka mbitu matuku 25 mwa mwezi wa thanthatu ila ni kwi one.
Thank you very much. We would like to
Kanisa wa Katoleki niweyumilia kukulya Silikali nenge mwana kimusingisya enenthira kutwaisya maandamano Kwenda itaulikililwa ni Silikali.
The frustration the young people are venting is an expression of a deep and serious concern shared by most Kenyans. That the current governance culture continues to sideline the majority, that there is massive misuse of public resources, and that the response to questioning or honest civic expression is now being met with brutal hostility.
The young people deserve listening and support, not suppression. These youth-led demonstrations reminded us of the power of civic consciousness and the rightful place of young people in shaping the country's direction.
Maaskavu ane makanya Silikali vikatatovuthesya kana kuokitana na Wasya wa Amuika Maendeeye meweta mutu wa kuvuluka maandamano ma muo wianene na kutunga nthi ithi imani thuku ya uvungulu wa muo.
Our young people are not enemies of the state. They are citizens with valid concerns who should be heard and supported in building a better future for all. Many Kenyan citizens are voicing these same concerns. As we remember those who died in the protests of 2024, we pray for those young souls. They should not have lost their lives, yet we cannot bring them back. It is fair to give them a fitting memorial.
KCCB neumania Kwenda kwikimia kwa siku sya Enenthi kwa mokoni mala mekwisilwa kwithwa movisa ma polisi siku sya kuawa na Enenthi kuna maua mokoni ma polisi ingi ni masiumania.
We are deeply concerned about the growing devaluation of human life in our country. The cases of mysterious disappearances, extrajudicial killings, and violent intimidation have become too common.
Rather than nurturing constructive youth participation, some state agencies have chosen to suppress it. We have witnessed the harassment, abduction, and in some cases, killing of young people whose only offense was raising their voice for accountability and justice. These incidents have left families in mourning and communities in a state of fear. The government's primary responsibility is to protect its citizens, not to threaten, silence, or punish them.
All reported cases of abductions, enforced disappearances, and extrajudicial actions should be investigated by credible and independent bodies. Those responsible should be held accountable in accordance with the law. If the government cannot protect its citizens, then who can?
Ingi kikaloni ki Maaskavu ni makulya maofisa ma polisi mathukume kwa kuatia miao vala menda mutuo wa mikola na mboleli kulikilila maandamano ungamwe vyo.
Young people, we appeal to you to avoid any violent encounters during your protests and instead demonstrate your maturity. We call on the security agents to ensure we do not have a repeat of the protected goons who brought violence in the recent protests. How can goons work together with the police? We demand justice for all those murdered and those shot, and conviction of all the perpetrators.
Vilingwa mauvo kumavamwe sinilovi, Nito Benjamin Mwakam.